Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most welcome. Alright guys, so are you aiming to get rid of all of those unwanted hair, be it private, pubic, armpit hair, jaw hair, anywhere you want to get rid of it without pain, without wax, without undergo any form of expensive stuff to get rid of it. This stuff is actually very cheap and very affordable, okay, and also very effective, so watch till the end. And also don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, drop your questions on my website, and now let's dive into the video. For an armpit hair, we're going to be needing bicarbonate of soda. Now, bicarbonate of soda is great for removal of hair. Okay, mixing it with other ingredients that I'm going to be showing you will make it even better. It will make it work faster. Then we're going to be making use of tomato. Now, tomato contains a lightening property. It lightens up the skin, it glows the skin, and it leaves the skin looking polished. And it's also delay the growth of a new hair. Tomato also helps to remove all unwanted hair. And also we're going to be needing turmeric powder. Now, turmeric powder is one ingredient that helps so much in removing hair. It glows the skin and it also leaves the skin polished. We're going to be putting in some warm water, like hot water, and we're going to be needing rice. Alright, rice helps to lighten up the skin, it whitens up the skin, and also it removes wrinkles, fine lines, and pigmentations. Alright, so we're going to be taking in half tablespoon of baking soda, as well as turmeric. We're gonna be taking in half tablespoon of turmeric powder, then for the rice I'll blend it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so just to show you how I got the rice, okay, so you don't ask that at the comment section. So I turned the rice into a pot, I added in water, and then I'm going to be boiling it for it to be very soft, okay, for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll have to transfer it into my bullet blender and blend it, plus the water that I use in boiling the rice. Then I will be putting in 1 tablespoon of rice powder, okay, cooked rice, not rice powder. So to make that even better, I'm going to be pouring in just a little bit of hot water. Now we're just going to stir this all up, okay? Going to stir and stir really well. So for the tomato, you're just going to grate it, guys. Okay, you actually do need this tomato very much, so you should grate it, and just a little, that's what we need. So we're going to be transferring that into the bowl and we'll stir it again. Now you're just going to take the treatment and you're just going to apply it on your facial hair, body hair, armpit hair, pubic hair, or wherever you have hair, guys. You apply it this way. Now what you do is that you leave this treatment on your face for it to dry. Now when it dries, then you have to, like, do it this way. Now all of the hair is just going to fall off. Now when you're done, you have to wash this off, okay? then you wash it off, then you repeat it just 3 days. After 3 days, all of the armpit hair, pubic hair or body hair is gonna be fallen off, like completely fall off. So that's it, guys. Use it that way and all of your armpit hair is gonna be gone, like, and it's going to delay the growth of the new hair. Like, it is that good. It is actually very effective. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share the video and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Okay, drop your personal questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless, and bye guys.